In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Hello, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Appreciate you guys' support of the channel. Today's video is on Mkr. It is a digital currency that can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime. It's a better form of money. We wanted to do a price prediction on it. This is our price prediction video for Mkr. It's a popular coin. It's in the top 30 on CoinMarketCap. We get a lot of requests for videos. So I do a lot of price prediction videos because we get a lot of requests for price prediction videos. So Mkr is the one that is gaining a lot of interest recently because it's going to be added to Coinbase Pro soon. So it's getting a lot of interest and people want to know what is it and what it's going to, what the future might be for it. So let's learn more about it. This is their website, mkrdao.com. You can go here to learn about Mkr and its and what it is, right? So let's go for the Mkr token. So the Mkr token, or the Mkr token, is the ERC20 token that is native to the Mkr protocol. Mkr is the governance token and recapitalization source of the Mkr protocol. As a governance token, Mkr is used by its holders to vote on a number of different things. Voting is used to execute changes to parameters inside of the Mkr protocol, like stability fees, the DSR, the debt ceilings, and many others. Voting is also used to make decisions on the non-technical aspects of the protocol, like asset priority lists, governance process, vote mandates, and even electing individuals to fill specific roles. To learn about the governance in the Mkr protocol, visit the governance fact and FAQ. Mkr as a recapitalization source. The token also acts as a source of recapitalization when the Mkr protocol runs at a deficit. The possibility of the Mkr token supply dilution gives holders a strong incentive to govern the system well. Inversely, the destruction of Mkr through the auctioning of DAI from the system's excess surplus further incentivizes holders to govern the system well. On CoinMarketCap, Mkr is currently ranked number 27 on CoinMarketCap. It's at a price of $483.61. The total market cap is $486 million. The volume is $9.4 million right now, 24-hour volume, and the circulating supply is 1 million Mkr, 5,577 Mkr to be exact. Year to date, Mkr has been making progress. As you see, when the COVID hit, we had Mkr drop all the way down to $217, under $200, $196 when COVID hit. $193 March 16th when the COVID news hit, and now we're back to $483. So Mkr has doubled since the COVID situation. The all-time high of Mkr is $1,773.92. January 18th, 2018. All-time low, $21.06. January 30th, 2017. Mkr is a smart contract platform on the Ethereum chain that backs and stabilizes the value of stablecoin DAI through a dynamic system of collateralized debt positions, autonomous feedback mechanisms, and approximately incentivized internal actors. Mkr tokens are created or destroyed in accordance with the price fluctuations of the DAI coin in order to keep it as close to $1 as possible, and is part of a fully inspectable system on the Ethereum blockchain. Mkr tokens are also used to pay transaction fees on the Mkr system and provides holders with voting rights within Mkr's continuous approval voting system. All right. So we know what Mkr is. Let's get into the price prediction, right? So we know on Mkr on Twitter, they have about 44K followers on Twitter. I want to just go to the price prediction. So these are a price prediction that you can find on digitalcoinprice.com. Maker's price prediction. The current price is $482.86. And at the end of 2020, we're predicting, or from digitalcoinprice.com is predicting, that it'll be $510.25 at the end of 2020. At the end of 2021, it'll be $461.17. At the end of 2022, $529.45. At the end of 2023, $573.24. At the end of 2024, $497.19. At the end of 2025, $556.19. At the end of 2026, $1,438.11. All right, so that's what it's talking about for Maker. On the yearly, by the end of June, it's saying that Maker would be $536 by the end of June. By the end of July 2020, Maker would be $505.08. By the end of August 2020, Maker would be $545.93. By the end of September 2020, Maker would be $517.18. By the end of October 2020, Maker would be $493.61. By the end of November 2020, Maker would be $528.37. By the end of December 2020, Maker would be $504.42. That is what the prediction is for Maker. It's the Maker price prediction from Digital Coin Price. So let's go to another site that I like to use, which is CryptoRating.com. It says the current Maker price is $484.18. Its circulating supply is 1 million Mkr. Our algorithm predicts that based on historical data, Maker price will be $636.31 in 1 week, $637.63 in 1 month. Our deep learning algorithm predicts that Maker's price will be at $597.46 in 6 months. Analysis of the cryptocurrency market shows that the Maker price may reach $703.48 by the 1st of January 2020. Driven by the potential interest from large institutional investors and more regulation expected in the field of digital currencies. The system predicts that MKR will stay around $620.78 in 2021, $703.48 in 2022, $919.04 in 2023, $1,175.60 in 2024, and $1,805.10 in 2025. Maker's short-term forecast in 1 day is $482.34, which is a change of 0.38%. In 1 week, the prediction in the short term is $636.31, which is a 31% increase. In 1 month, $637.63, which is a 31% increase. In 6 months, $597.46, which is a 23% increase. In 1 year, $620.78, which is a 28% increase. The Maker long-term forecast in 1 year is predicted to be $620.78, which is a 28% increase. In 2 years, $703.48, which is a 45% increase. In 3 years, $919.04, which is an 89% increase. In 4 years, $1,175.60, which is a 142% increase. In 5 years, $1,805, which is a 272% increase. That's the long-term forecast for Maker. In the next 14 days, we can go to Wallet Investor. The price target is $567.59 on the upside and $408.29 on the downside. As you can see, Wallet Investor has it going up to a high of $520 on June 13th, 2020. And the low is, looks like it's $453 on 6/10/2020 is the low. Let's look at some of the technical indicators. I go to TradingView for this. TradingView for MakerDAO has a buy on the oscillators, and the moving averages are all buy on the 1 day for Maker. On the 1 week on TradingView, it's a buy as well. You can see the moving averages on the longer term frames, the 30-day, 50-day, and 100-day are sells, but the MACD level and the momentum are buys, right? And this is a sell on the. These are sells on the 1 month chart. These are sells, right? So on the 1 month chart, you have a lot of sells. On the 1 week, you have buy. On the 1 day, you have buy. But besides that, you have a lot of sells on the chart right now. So 1 day buy, 1 week buy, 1 month sell for Mkr. So back to the website. Let's see, what are you guys' price prediction for Mkr? Let me know in the comments below. Before we close out the video, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com to get the next big crypto report. We also have trading alerts, and then every month we put out 5 picks of coins that we think are going to do good in the month, and we put that out for you guys. So, and we also have reports from other groups that you may not know about. Palm Beach, possibly. We have a few Palm Beach reports as well. So check us out at knockoutcrypto.com. Decide if you want to join. Let me know and let me know if you want to join knockoutcrypto.com. Just sign up at knockoutcrypto.com. You won't regret it. It's less than the price of a McDonald's meal to join knockoutcrypto.com. So it goes to anything you can give to support the channel. It really help. We really appreciate it. All right, guys. Thank you for supporting Knockout Crypto. Signing off.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.